In today's video, we will explore sector or block coding. First, we'll go to the configuration section and click on sector or block coding. When the interface opens, we'll see the sector or block coding manage page. Any sector or block we configure will be shown in a table here. The purpose of sector or block coding is to configure multiple blocks or sectors within our society's management system. To add a new sector or block, we'll click on the Add Sector button. The form that opens will display this type of interface. In the first field, we will select the phase, then in the next field, we will add the sector or block name, and if we have any further details for our sector, we will add them in the next field. In the following field, for status, we'll select whether we want to keep this sector or block active or inactive. After that, to submit the form, we'll click on the Save button. Once the form is submitted, the sector or block will be added to the table on the Manage screen, showing 6 columns: serial number, phase name, sector or block name, sector detail, status, and action. If we want to delete or edit a sector or block, we can do so using the buttons provided in the action column. If we set the status to inactive, the sector or block will be added here, but it won't be shown anywhere else in our system. Additionally, if we want to view our sectors or blocks phase-wise, on the Manage screen, there is a drop-down menu above the table. When we choose a phase from it, only the sectors or blocks related to that phase will appear in the table below.